Welcome to the Asia Guide. Today we travel to the southern edge of China to witness one of the tallest and most breathtaking statues in Asia, the 108-meter Guanyin of Nanshan. Rising where the ocean meets the sky, this three-sided goddess of mercy is both an engineering wonder and a powerful symbol of peace and compassion. Located in Sanya, Hainan, often called China's Hawaii, the statue stands on a man-made island connected to the shore by a long bridge. Each of Guanyin's three faces looks in a different direction. One toward the land, blessing the people, one toward the South China Sea, and one toward the wider world, representing harmony and peace for all humanity. Construction took 6 years and was completed in 2005, with blessings from over 100 Buddhist monks from across Asia. The engineering behind Guanyin of Nanshan is extraordinary. The pedestal beneath the statue is a multi-level Buddhist temple filled with golden sculptures, sacred murals, and intricate carvings. Despite standing directly on the coast, the statue is designed to withstand powerful typhoons, strong ocean winds, and coastal erosion. Inside the structure are multiple floors dedicated to prayer, meditation, and ceremonial offerings. From a distance, Guanyin radiates serenity, but up close you can see the astonishing fine details. Flowing robes, golden halos, and sacred items held in each hand. Visitors say the moment they step onto the bridge, a deep sense of calm washes over them. The sound of crashing waves, the scent of incense, and the towering statue create an atmosphere of peace that feels almost otherworldly. Many travelers come here not only for spiritual reflection, but also for its stunning visuals. During sunrise and sunset, the statue glows in soft golden light, casting shimmering reflections across the sea, making it one of the most photogenic spots in China. Whether you're drawn by spirituality, culture, or incredible architecture, the Guanyin of Nanshan is a must-visit destination in Asia. This is the Asia Guide. Subscribe for more breathtaking journeys across the continent.